Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to do a couple small demonstrations here. On the far left I've got a cup of water, in the middle a cup of cooking oil, and on the right, I'm going to add it right now, some nail polish remover. Alright, so I think we can all agree that these substances are very different. I'm going to first use my dropper and just place a few drops of each substance on this wax paper to see what happens. Okay, so I'd just like for you to make some observations as to what you're seeing. Okay, so I'm drying up some water and placing a few drops on the wax paper. Okay, so I'll put the camera a bit closer as well so you can see. Okay, so they're forming these beads. What else do you observe? What happens if I push them together? All right. So that was our water. Okay, let's do the same thing for the cooking oil. Again, just make some observations as to what you're seeing. Zoom in a bit closer. And it's kind of hard to see, maybe from an angle that should help. Okay, so there's our cooking oil, and again, there is the water. Okay. And lastly, we are going to do the nail polish remover. And you can't observe this because you're not here with me, but I can also smell the nail polish remover quite a bit. It's got a very strong odor. Okay, drying up some of the nail polish remover and placing it on the wax paper. Okay, and let's zoom in and see what's going on. Very hard to see. Let's see if I move the wax paper at all. Very spread out. Flat, I would say, but it kind of all congregated together right there. So again, this is the nail polish remover, the oil, and the water. All right, so that concludes the first part of this demonstration.